Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and make sure you have no pending calls or uploads. Open Settings or pull down the Quick Settings panel immediately. This is faster. Once done, find the Flight Mode or Airplane Mode toggle. It's usually an airplane icon. Turn it on to cut cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios. This conserves battery and meets airline rules. Make sure you understand why you're toggling it before moving on. That context helps avoid accidental data loss. Once flight mode is active, you can selectively re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if the airline permits it. You do this from the same Quick Settings or Settings network. Enabling only needed radios reduces interference. Also, check that apps aren't mid-sync. Pause large uploads to prevent corruption. Make sure the airplane icon appears in the status bar and that cellular bars disappear. That confirms radios are off. If you need GPS, many devices still allow location services even when radios are disabled. When cleared to reconnect, turn flight mode off to restore cellular, then re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth as needed. This order helps the device re-register with the network. Make sure apps reconnect and that calls and messages resume. You may need to reopen an app to refresh. If signals don't return, try toggling flight mode again, rebooting the device, or resetting network settings as a last step. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves registration and connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.